How to remove Snapchat AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove your Snapchat AI, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're aware, then most likely you can see I have the Snapchat application, and then if you've been updating the Snapchat app, you know that there is this My AI thing, which is like a Snapchat assistant right at the top of your chat feed. You don't really want this chat feed, you're not a great fan of it. How do you remove it? Well, if I just go ahead and long press on this My AI option, you can see even if I go to chat settings, there is no option to remove this, but I actually asked My AI themselves to remove itself from my chat feed, and it said that Snapchat Plus subscribers get first dibs on new My AI features and can choose to remove or unpin My AI from the chat feed. So basically it's saying that if you want to remove My AI from your chat feed, you need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Now I think that this is just a very slick move from Snapchat themselves. They're also following the same protocol, like just pay money to use. But if you want to go ahead and remove this, you have to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. There isn't any other way. On the free version you will not be able to remove My AI. So what you want to do is just tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Here you'll find this option called Snapchat Plus. You can just tap on it, see the pricing, and depending upon whatever you want, just tap the next option and then subscribe to it depending upon which plan is available for you. And after you've done that, it's saying us that when you come to this chat page and when you press and hold and go to chat settings, you can just clear from chat feed options. So currently if I just do this and then go to chat settings, here I don't have the clear from chat feed option, but if you have Snapchat Plus, you will be able to find the option. So hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.